Does America still have a strategy beyond overwhelming force? Part 2. For nearly 80 years, American power has shaped the global order. Aircraft carriers, advanced aircraft, satellites, intelligence networks, and the world's most capable military created an assumption. If a crisis became serious enough, American force could decide the outcome, and for decades, that was largely true. But history shows that every era of dominance eventually faces a moment of adjustment. The question today is not whether America remains powerful. It does. The question is whether overwhelming force alone remains a complete strategy. Modern conflict is changing. Cheap drones can threaten equipment costing millions. Cyber attacks can disrupt nations without a shot being fired. Space-based systems are becoming targets. Information itself has become a battlefield. Smaller nations and non-state groups no longer need to match American strength. They look for weaknesses, delays, dependencies, and political limits. The battlefield is becoming less about who owns the biggest weapon, and more about who can adapt fastest. At the same time, global influence is becoming more distributed. Countries that once depended on a single security partner are diversifying relationships, building regional alliances, and creating alternative systems. America still maintains enormous advantages: technology, finance, alliances, innovation, and military reach. But the challenge ahead may not be winning individual battles. It may be redefining leadership for a world where control is harder, information moves instantly, and influence cannot rely on force alone. The strongest empires in history rarely disappeared because they lacked power. They struggled when the world around them changed faster than their strategies. The next chapter of global power may not belong simply to the nation with the strongest military. It may belong to the one that adapts first. Stature Insights. Analysis, not advocacy.
To understand more, read statura.substack.com. That's statura.substack.com. Stature Insights provides analysis, perspective, and context based on publicly available information. Some visuals are illustrative and used to support storytelling. We do not advocate for political positions or organizations. Our focus is understanding global events, history, and emerging trends. Stature Insights. Analysis, not advocacy.